Another day, another protein review. My name is Neyfi Del Rosario and I am a holistic nutritionist and best-selling author here in New York City. And in this channel I discuss everything about nutrition, fitness and exercise to help you melt that fat off. And if you're into that, please consider subscribing. My mission is to inspire you to become the healthiest version of yourself using the power of nutrition and keto. So a couple of months ago I made a review about the Isopure strawberries and cream flavor, and you know, I've been using that protein for about 2 years and I really enjoy it. And that is my most popular video here on YouTube, and even Isopure noticed and liked it and sent me a message. Yo, it's pretty cool, right? So I went to my local supply store, right? And I was like, yo, I want something new. I want to try a new flavor. And the guy was like, oh yeah, here we go. And then I see this one, and I saw the vanilla salted caramel. And I was like, huh, that sounds like a really good protein flavor, right? And I have tried the strawberry and the vanilla one, right? So I am mostly going to compare this one to the strawberry one because that is the one that I am most familiar with. And I also have a video of it if you want to check out the review and see if you like that flavor better. And the full review of this will be linked down below to Amazon, where you can check out the full review of this one and all the flavors they have at any point on this video. So make sure you do that. Alright, let's get started. So like the strawberry one, this is also zero carbs, which is really cool. I am not doing keto anymore because I am training for power and I am trying to be faster than other people as a triathlete, and I think eating carbs do really help. But you know, it doesn't add much. It's only 100 calories, and eating 3,000 calories a day, you know, it is just a little bit. But this one is 25 grams of protein, and that is really nice. 25 grams of protein is a really good thing because sometimes I don't get enough protein. And you know, as an endurance athlete that also lifts weights and is training for power and is doing a little bit of powerlifting here and there, it's important for me to keep my muscle. And sometimes it's really hard to eat that much protein. So this really helps me. Again, it is whey protein isolate, which is better than the other types of whey because it's purer, it has less lactose, and if you're lactose intolerant or something like that, you might be able to get away with this, right? But also has BCAAs, which is really smart because I'll be eating, you know, 1 or 2 scoops of these a day, and I eat around 200 grams of protein every single day. Do I have to eat 200 grams of protein every single day? No, but I like it, right? And I don't have to waste my money on BCAAs if I can just get it with this, right? So that is really smart. And I know what you're thinking, I know you're looking at my hair, you're like, why is this guy's hair is so crazy? Well, I went on a 40-mile bike ride today, so the helmet makes the shape of my hair, which is really cool. But now let's go and make this protein and see how it tastes. Alright, let's get into making this shake. And no, I am not gonna put the scoop on a cup and mix it with a spoon because I know nobody does that. Absolutely nobody does that. So the instructions are 8 ounces of water and 32 grams of whey protein, right? So the strawberry one is 31 grams, so you get 1 more gram if that matters to you. It's a little bit less calorie dense, but let's put 8 ounces of water here. Now the difference on this one is that the scoop is actually on top and it's not in the middle. So the problem with the strawberry ones is that the actual scoop is like at the bottom of the tub, and nobody wants to go digging for the spoon at the bottom. So I'm happy that they fixed the problem and they put it on the top on this one, right? So let's take 1 scoop and let's make it 32 grams because we want to make it accurate. Alright, we have 32 grams of whey in there, so I am going to shake it like a regular person would. Alright boys, we got our protein here, and I am gonna put it in a glass so you guys can see the consistency. I don't normally put it in a glass, but I'll do this for you guys so you guys can see how it looks like. This one's not as thick. It's not as thick as the strawberry one. It's not as milkshaky as the strawberry. It's like a milk use, if that makes sense. But let's go and try it out. We're here with a vanilla salted caramel flavor from Isopure. So let's see how it tastes like. I'm gonna compare it to the strawberry one. It's really good, and I would say I can taste more of the vanilla than the caramel. It's not that bad, but it's not as thick. If you want a thicker milkshake, you can go with the strawberry one that I have from last video, so go check it out. But if you're okay with just your standard flavor, this one will be really good, especially for cooking stuff, because it is very balanced. Yeah, this is really good, and if you want to check it out, I have a link down in the description where you can see the full review. You can get this one too. And let me know down in the comments, would you get this one? It's caramel. If you really like caramel, you can drink this. Yeah, it's not as foamy, it's not as milkshakey. I'll say I like the strawberry one more. Just because I like thicker milkshakes, even though I do use more water on the upper limit and you use more protein on this one, like 1 more gram. Still, it is good. I mean, what can I say? If you found value in this video, please hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell to see videos like this quickly, where I inspire you to become the healthiest version of yourself using power nutrition and keto. I know there's a lot of misinformation here on YouTube, so here's 2 videos you can watch and enjoy right now. I love every single one of you.